President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has directed DOLE and DSWD to strengthen pre-internship and employment support for college students, a move he called vital to national development. Arbian Manalo narrates this report.
Sa DOLE at sa DSWD, ipagpatuloy pa ninyo ang mga ganitong klaseng internship at pre-employment program para sa ating estudyante sa kolehiyo. Malaking tulong ito sa kanila habang sila ay nag-aaral. Malaking tulong ito sa bansa.
This was President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s instruction during his fourth State of the Nation address. Therefore, the Department of Labor and Employment or DOLE is continuing to improve its program to be able to provide more opportunities to Filipinos. This is also in accordance with the Trabaho para sa Bayan Plan 2025 to 2034, which outlines the response to the issues facing the labor and employment sector. Therefore, DOLE will increase the number of job fairs to be conducted in various areas of the Philippines to try to decrease the remaining 4% of the unemployed labor force. DOLE continues to partner with Public Employment Services Office or PESO and local government units in jobs creation. And due to the continuous growth of innovative technologies, DOLE will further strengthen employment human resources development and the provision of skills to workers. This includes retooling, upskilling, and retraining, as well as career counseling and support development programs for the youth.
Ang aking tinutukoy ay yung katagang convergence, no? Pagsasama-sama, pagtatagpo, pagkakaisa, at pagsasanib ng puwersa ng mga departamento. Dahil halos lahat naman ng mga departamento ay mayroong kaugnayan sa usapin ng paggawa at panghanap buhay. Kaya
Jennifer is very thankful for DOLE's job fairs, especially for senior high school graduates like her.
Salamat din po sa DOLE na may opportunity po na ganyang job fair po sa bawat isa po. Nakakatulong po sa mga kabataan na gusto na rin po magtrabaho.
The Labor Department will focus on protecting the rights and welfare of Filipino workers. In fact, DOLE has further approved the implementing rules and regulations of Republic Act 11058 or strengthening compliance with occupational safety and health. Public-private partnership will also be strengthened as well as interaction with the international community.
sa isang bagong Pilipinas, paglilingkod at serbisyong maayos, matapat, mabilis, walang bahid at inklusibo, maasahan ng mamamayang Pilipino mula sa kagawaran ng paggawa at empleyo.
Priority will be given to strengthening digitalization in all agency services as part of the ease of doing business. In addition to giving employment, DOLE will also continue to provide economic assistance to the vulnerable sector such as senior citizens, solo parents, and persons with disability or PWD. Assistance and support to micro, small, and medium enterprises or MSMEs, which has a large contribution to the growth of the Philippine economy. BN Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.